Hola y bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hoy vamos a aprender los animales del mar. So we're going to take a trip. Imagine you're on a tropical island and you get to see all these wonderful sea creatures. You're going to learn vocabulary for some new animals that would live in the ocean. And then we're also going to review some of our verbs and how to conjugate those so that when you're translating the sentences for your homework, you will be able to successfully change these verbs to match who is doing the action. Okay, that's what we call our subject. So, first, let's learn our new vocabulary. Este es una ballena, la ballena. Go ahead and say it with me. La ballena. El delfín. El delfín. Excelente. El pez. El pez. You have to remember that pez is a live fish. If you're eating a fish, please don't say you're eating el pez because it implies that it's live. If it's a fish that you would eat and it's already dead, you would say el pescado. So if you're swimming around and snorkeling, you will see el pez or los peces. El tiburón. El tiburón. Tiene dientes enormes. Very big teeth. Watch out for the shark. El cangrejo. El cangrejo. La foca. La foca. El pulpo. El pulpo. The octopus. La concha. La concha. It's a beautiful shell. La concha. El sol. El sol. I hope you have el sol cuando te vayas a la playa. La playa. It's the beach. La playa. ¿Quieres ir a la playa? La arena. La arena is the sand. La playa tiene mucha arena. La tortuga. La tortuga. If you have ever watched Wild Kratts, you now know why their ship is named La Tortuga. All right, so as you do your homework, these are the verbs that you're going to be using, and I want to review them just really quickly. When you're translating, you need to know what your subject is. The subject is who or what is doing the action. So if you're talking about the whale is in the ocean, la ballena is the subject. La ballena is singular and it would be third person. It's not I, you, it's going to be it, right? So that would be third person singular. So down here you would say la ballena and then you would look at this part for how to conjugate estar. La ballena está en el mar. Okay. Now, there are some other verbs that you'll need, like tener. So, this is how we conjugate tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él tiene, nosotros tenemos, y ellos tienen. Okay. So, ask yourself first who or what is doing the action, and then find the correct form of the verb to match that. Okay. Again, this first column is singular. The second column is plural. So this is more than one person doing the action. This is only one person doing the action. Remember, this is I, you familiar, and you formal, or he or she or it. Okay, that's third person. Now, you're also getting introduced to me gusta. And this is a really tricky one. So I want to teach you guys this. Okay. Me gusta is a reflexive, or gustarse is a reflexive verb. Okay. So it is not I like, something is pleasing to me. So this is how you're going to do it. So if it's to you, you would say, a mí no me gusta. Okay. So this is saying to me, it is not pleasing. And this is kind of a really complicated verb form. But if you follow this chart, it's going to really help you get it. Okay. So you might like an activity, which would be an infinitive form of a verb, like swimming, studying, running, sleeping. Okay. You might also like something like the football or the beach or the song or the drawing. Okay. So you would use gusta if it is something singular that is pleasing to you. You would use gustan if it is something plural that is pleasing to you. Okay. A mí no me gustan los libros would mean to me, I don't like books. Okay. It's a little different than how we would structure our sentences in English, but you need to understand kind of the grammar behind it. And so let's look at this. If you do like something, then just leave out this no column. So if you do like books, then you would say, a mí me gustan los libros, or a mí me gusta el fútbol. Okay, this is really complicated, but people often talk about things that they like to do. So understanding how to use gustar is very important as you move forward in Spanish. So practice this out. Let's say you're talking about your brother and he likes to play football. So you would say, a él le gusta el fútbol. Okay? See how that works? So try it out. This chart is super duper helpful as you complete your homework. Okay? Good luck, you guys, and let me know if you have any questions. Have fun speaking Spanish, and remember, listen to the song and sing along with it at least 3 times. Thanks, and bye bye.